The second one is the power of procurement. And so we've seen some really interesting things being done by clients, include some who use Carbon Portal and some who don't, who just do really interesting work on saying, right, we will set what good can look like, but the supply chain has a lot of innovation themselves. And so we might say, right, can you try and reduce the carbon impact of this project by X%? You tell us how you want to do it, but you must demonstrate that you've done this in a credible way. And that's been really interesting because some of the ideas that come forward are expected. So it might be, right, maybe we try and use a different type of concrete or use a different type of steel or whatever that might be. And some of them are really quite different. And so it might be, right, can we repurpose an existing asset, or can we actually build in a way that benefits uses more nature-based solutions that we may not have thought about before. And I think that's really exciting because the supply chain will work for that client and needs to achieve things, and they've got their own corporate reasons for doing so. But it also, I think, goes back to a point I mentioned earlier about that curiosity, and that idea of innovation, and that putting the onus and the challenge to a wider group of individuals and organizations, not just the client organization, is really beneficial.